Channel. I'm Chelsea.
And I'm Nishit.
And if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe and join the family, guys. So in this video, we are going to cover
All the initial expenses that you need to be prepared for after coming to US. So in the starting 10 days, whatever you are going to need and spend, we are going to cover in this video.
and we will be going to the stores, and also we will show you all the products that you're supposed to buy after coming to US, and we will put all the links of every item in the description box as well. So guys, let's get into this. So guys, the plan is we are going to divide the video into 3 parts. First is going to be the bedroom, second is going to be the kitchen, and the third is going to be the washroom.
And we will take you to different stores and we'll show you everything. That what you need to get from where. So
at the end of the video, we are also going to show you the exact amount that you will be spending on these items.
So we have done our homework. We have prepared an expense sheet for you guys so that you can have an idea.
Hey guys, so our next stop is Walmart, and I will show you what are the must-have and that you will get from Walmart at a very affordable price. So let's go.
So guys, for beds, as we told you that metal bed frames are the best options to go. So if you see, these you can get easily from Walmart, and you can order them online. As they will be heavy, so it will be a problem carrying them to your home. So just order online and you can get it.
All the mattresses that you can see, so you can order online as well. So that's how mattress comes. It comes in a
box. This box.
So just wanted to show you.
That's right.
Hey guys, so this is the bedding area of Walmart. So as you can see, you get all these comforters just for $27, and the size is full / queen, and this is sufficient for 1 person and even for 2 person, and the rates are like very affordable, and you have a bunch of design options, and they keep you warm as well. So now we will move on to our sheet options that you get in Walmart. You have an option of flat sheets. The price starts from $10, and you also get like option for buying $25 sheets as well. But the only thing is that if you will buy the cotton bed sheets, it's going to cost you more. So this is all the bed sheet options that you have, and these are like kind of affordable, I can say. So I mean, you can get bed sheets and pillow covers and everything from this section. Hey guys, so this is the pillow area. As you can see, the prices starts from $5, and you also get for something like for $3 as well, and you get different kind of pillows. As you can see, some are also for $8. It's up to you, like whatever you want to buy. But I just wanted to show you.
This is the study desk that I was talking about, and in Walmart the cost is $55. If you want to try IKEA, it will come around $30. So try that.
Guys, this is one of the things that I wanted to mention is laundry bags. So if you don't have laundry in your house, and if you have to go outside for doing the laundry bag is a must, and these are like a bit expensive in US. These are for $5 for just a laundry bag. So I will suggest you that bring from India. It's going to be cheaper, but this is one of the things that you will need for sure. So guys, you also get like very affordable mirrors in Walmart. So these will retail from like $6 to $10. This time this is for $6, but mostly you get it for $10, and these are the most affordable ones. So this is all the mirrors that you have.
And this is full length mirror. This section is kitchen.
Hi guys, so for the kitchen utensils, Mainstays is the most affordable brand of Walmart. As you can see, you can get a set of these 3 just for $9.96, and you also get these pans just for $5. So these are the most affordable and the good quality. I will say I have used these in the past, and they were like really nice, very affordable. And the second option is this a pack option. Usually students don't go for this one, but it's up to you. I'm just showing you, this is for $20. So this is all what you get. Now for blenders, go for this one, guys. This is a Magic Bullet, and you can use this one for making your smoothie, for cooking, everything. So you have 2 sizes. The big one is for $40, the small one is for $25. But definitely this is going to be a must in your kitchen, whether you cook or not. It's going to be like for making smoothies, for making shakes. This is very, very important. Shop is going to be Dollar Tree, and you will get like 75% of your household stuff from this store alone, and everything in this store is actually $1. So you will get all the things for kitchen and washroom and also some other things that you need for your house in this store. So now I will go inside and I will show you all the items. So yeah, let's go. Guys, so this is the plates and cup section. So you will get everything for $1 in this section, and this is the most affordable option for, you know, crockeries. And even when I was a student, I had all the crockery stuff from Dollar Tree, and it's like very affordable, very good as a student. So now I will show you the other kitchen items. So you see, you get all these cups and mugs, all are for $1 each, and they are very good. Like even they are very good in quality as well. And you have some, like, you know, like kind of a jug options or these big glasses and all if you want to buy. So yeah, now I will show you some other kitchen. So guys, as you can see, this is a gem of a section, and this is actually my favorite section. So you will get everything that you need in a kitchen, and that also at a very affordable price. So you have all these like spoons, like big spoons, and you know, like knives and everything you have just for $1, and these scissors, everything that you actually need. So you can see in Dollar Tree right now, as you can see, you get all the stationery items as well in this store, and all are for $1. So it's fine if you don't like get from India. You can definitely come to Dollar Tree and you will get everything from pens to calculators to notebooks. Like you will get everything in this store just for $1. Now we will move on to our, you know, like next section. So this is a different section where you get all these like cleaning supplies for washroom or for mopping and washroom cleaning and all that stuff, and also like some kitchen scrubber like dishwasher and everything you get for $1. So as you can see, you have almost everything in this store, and there you have some different kind of a mat options, and these are all again for $1. Like, and I think it's good. And then you also have like couple of hangers for $1, but I'll suggest get it from like